Alright, so in this video we're going to be removing the passenger front right door panel off a 2004 Chrysler Crossfire. We're using a T9 Torx. Going to be removing this plastic cover. It just pops off. Oh, that's actually metal. I thought it was plastic. Now we're going to be removing this cover. It's a Phillips. Okay, so it's just one screw. You have to remove this cover, and right behind it there's going to be a Torx screw. Let's see if you get a visual. Alright, so we're using a T30 Torx screw. Torx drive T30. Alright, so now we have to pull off this door handle cover. Just the front piece, not the whole thing. You could start on either or side, but alright, so there's two more T30 Torx screws. So this has clips all around it. Just gotta be patient with it. It's very weak plastic, so this thing breaks really easily. Alright, so there's gonna be another T30 Torx. Okay, so you have to remove that cover. So pop it out in the middle and just pull it up. Let me see if it will true. Alright, so now just gonna start working your way through the door panel on the bottom, splitting it from the door. It's held by plastic clips. These are the plastic clips that you have to pop out when you remove the door panel. Alright, so this is the door without the door panel. Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to remove a passenger side view mirror. So we have the door panel off. Okay, so that's the power plug for it. Alright, so I'll twist the mirror. Now you're going to be able to get to the screws. Alright, so when the mirror is folded, you'll be able to get these two screws. Okay, T40 Torx. You have to feed the wire through the back. Alright, so that's how you remove a side view mirror. It's a similar process for the driver's side as well.